Gorilla traps are very humane and professional traps for rats and mice for proactive pest management. To activate the mousetrap, press down the kill bar to the very back of the trap. To release the springs, make sure that you don't clamp your finger and slowly release the kill bar by pressing on the treadle. For best success, make sure to use professional lures made to last. For instance, NARA products, which are synthetic lures that come in various flavors like chocolate, mango, fish, meat, vanilla and others, and last hygienically for a very long time. Simply insert the NARA lure at the well-formed adapter in the middle of the treadle of the Gorilla Trap rat or the Gorilla Trap mouse. The adapter is made to hold the NARA lures perfectly in place. Activate the trap again by setting back the kill bar. Be careful, rat traps especially are very strong for a most humane and efficient kill. Don't place the traps parallel to any wall, because rodents are traveling next to walls frequently. Make sure to place them in a 90 degrees angle with the kill bar pointed towards the wall. Rodents will be lured directly to the lure in the middle of the treadle, press it down, and there you have a humane catch. Make sure to only use humane and approved traps. Gorilla traps are approved by the German government according to EU standards. Use as little poison as possible. Animal welfare and environmentally friendly solutions are the way to go. Let's all be a part of this, and you can be as well if you use gorilla traps. Thank you for watching.